Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best shoe baskets is probably one of the most versatile and essential storage solutions for any home, helping you keep your entryway tidy and your favorite footwear organized and easily accessible. Whether you're dealing with a small apartment or a spacious house, a well-chosen shoe basket can make a significant difference in maintaining a clutter-free living space, preventing tripping hazards, and preserving the condition of your shoes by keeping them neatly contained. Imagine walking into a home where every pair of shoes has its designated spot, looking stylish and readily available for your next adventure, all thanks to the simple yet effective design of a shoe basket. Number 5. Whitmor Rattique Storage Tote Basket, Java. Introducing a stylish and durable storage solution. It's crafted with a sturdy metal frame and handwoven polyethylene strapping for long-lasting use. Transporting your belongings is a breeze with its built-in stainless steel handles. These make carrying it from place to place incredibly convenient. These baskets are perfectly sized to fit neatly into closets, storage cubes, or on shelves. They provide that extra bit of storage you need without taking up too much space. This versatile storage solution is designed to help you organize any space in your home or office. It's ideal for everything from clothing and toys to school supplies. Keeping it looking great is simple. Just wipe it with a damp cloth, and it will maintain its appearance for years to come. For over 70 years, Whitmor has been dedicated to bringing organization into homes. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like? This basket offers a robust construction with a metal frame and handwoven strapping, ensuring durability. It also features convenient built-in handles for easy transport. If you need a sturdy and easy-to-move storage solution for everyday items, this is a great choice. It's perfect for organizing closets, shelves, or even for carrying items around the house. What people say. This is a fairly sturdy plastic-like woven material basket. I love the handy handles. They are a metal alloy, maybe stainless. The handles make it easy to pull out without spilling or dropping the contents. Almost 8 years later and it is still in perfect condition. It has taken a lot of punishment, other items stored on top of it, pulled out from under it, fell off the pile of stuff it was stored within when the pile slipped sideways, etc. Every other type of baskets I tried I managed to ruin relatively quickly, but not this one. It still looks like the day I received it. Number 4. StorageWorks Fabric Storage Bins. Introducing our fabric storage bins, crafted from natural fibers for a touch of elegance. They are designed to complement any room in your home. These bins are built to last with a strong metal frame and reinforced base. They maintain their shape, even when empty, for reliable storage. Enjoy generous capacity with these large baskets, perfect for organizing clothes, blankets, toys, and more. Keep your essentials neatly tucked away. Moving your stored items is a breeze thanks to the comfortable PU handles. They are securely attached for easy lifting and transport. Use them on shelves or in closets to bring order to bedrooms, living areas, or dorms. They are the perfect solution for clutter-free living. When not in use, these bins fold flat for convenient storage. They assemble in moments, maximizing your space efficiently. What we like? This option provides excellent structural integrity with its metal frame and reinforced MDF base, ensuring it stands upright even when empty. Its collapsible design makes it incredibly space-saving when not in use. If you're looking for a versatile organizer that can handle generous loads and be easily stored, this is the one. It's ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or dorms where space optimization is key. What people say. They're sturdy, look great, and come in a variety of sizes that make organizing easy. Impressive, sturdy support with wire. Nice quality fabric, not thin. Very happy with this purchase. The metal support from inside really keep the basket sturdy. Nice color as well, and quite spacious. I could fit a lot of our most used baby items in 2 baskets. Number 3. KAKAMAY Large Woven Blanket Basket. Crafted from 100% natural cotton rope, this basket is soft, chemical-free, and safe for your little ones and pets. It's designed to be durable and maintain its shape, offering a worry-free storage solution. With its large dimensions, it's perfect for storing blankets, pillows, toys, or laundry. Keep your living space tidy and organized with this versatile storage solution. This decorative basket offers a stylish alternative to cluttered spaces. Its subtle colors and woven design complement any home decor, making it a beautiful addition to any room. It's soft yet sturdy, making it ideal for baby clothes and toys. Built with the highest grade materials, it's designed for years of reliable use without fraying or falling apart. The basket is washable by hand or machine. Simply air dry or use a delicate cycle in the dryer. Any creases from shipping can be easily removed by ironing. It arrives folded but quickly regains its shape when filled. Enjoy a neat and stylish home with this functional and beautiful storage basket. What we like. Crafted from 100% natural cotton rope, this basket is soft, safe for kids and pets, and incredibly durable. Its large size makes it perfect for storing blankets, pillows, or toys. If you prioritize natural materials and need a spacious, safe storage solution for your living room or nursery, this is an excellent pick. Its washable nature also adds to its practicality for family use. What people say. It's roomy, sturdy, and looks great in my living room. Holds multiple blankets or pillows, but also works perfectly as a laundry hamper or toy chest. The cotton rope is thick yet soft, and the neutral design fits anywhere. Very well made with excellent material. I love the sturdiness of the material. The size is great for using as a laundry basket. Elevates the look of the room too. This basket is a mix of lightweight and heavy duty. The baskets and handles feel sturdy. The handles are holding up well under multiple uses as a laundry basket for transporting the clean and folded laundry. These are durable, attractive, they can fold for storage or stand proud full or empty. Plus, they are lightweight enough to carry around the house and they aren't brittle plastic. Number 2. CHICVITA Wicker Laundry Basket with Handles. Introducing a multipurpose storage basket, perfect for keeping your living room tidy. It's ideal for blankets, cushions, shoes, hats, and even indoor plants. With its natural jute color, this decorative basket complements any room. It adds a touch of elegance to your living room, bedroom, or entryway. Designed with 2 large handles, carrying your belongings is a breeze. Place it beside your sofa, cabinet, or in any corner for convenient storage. Looking for a practical gift? This basket is perfect for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. It's a functional and appreciated present for anyone. Crafted from soft jute and cotton rope, it's safe for your home, including children and pets. The gentle material won't scratch your clothes, floors, or hands. It arrives folded for shipping but quickly regains its shape. You can also fold it flat for effortless storage when not in use. What we like. Made from soft jute and cotton rope, this basket is gentle on surfaces and safe for use around children and pets. It features large handles for easy carrying and a decorative aesthetic that complements any room. If you're seeking a stylish yet functional storage solution for blankets, toys, or even as a plant basket, this is a fantastic option. Its design makes it a lovely addition to living rooms or entryways. What people say. It is well made, sturdy and in a sleek design. Nice and tall, and more economical than wicker. And super easy to carry whenever I need to water plant treated outdoors. Perfect storage for throws I use at my patio fire pit. For full-size throws fit nicely and it's easy to carry out sits to the fire pit area. Number 1. 4-pack large closet storage baskets with handles. Tired of clutter? Our set of 4 large storage baskets is the perfect home essential to save space and keep everything neatly organized. They are generously sized for all your storage needs. These aren't just storage bins, they're a statement piece. Designed with elegant two-tone colors and sturdy brown handles, they add a touch of warmth and refinement to any room. With 4 baskets in a pack, you can meet all your family's storage needs. They fit perfectly on shelves, in closets, under beds, or in dorm rooms, measuring 14 x 10 x 9.5. Crafted from durable non-woven fabric and reinforced with stiff plastic boards on all sides and the bottom, these organizers are built to remain sturdy and reliable for years to come. When not in use, simply remove the bottom board and fold them flat for convenient storage. The attached handles make them easy to carry wherever you need them. From clothes and toys to linens and laundry, these versatile bins are ideal for organizing your bedroom, nursery, bathroom, or pantry. They are perfect for clothes, toys, nursery items, and more. What we like. This set of 4 bins is constructed with stiff plastic boards on all sides and the bottom, ensuring they remain sturdy and stackable for years. They are also odorless, making them ideal for enclosed spaces. If you need a robust, long-lasting, and stackable storage solution for a variety of items like clothes, toys, or linens, this multi-pack is a great value. It's perfect for maximizing space in closets, shelves, or under beds. What people say. The shoe baskets are surprisingly spacious, fitting up to 3 pairs of adult shoes per basket. The stackable design is a game-changer for small closets, allowing for vertical storage without compromising accessibility. The ventilation holes are well placed, preventing odor buildup and keeping shoes fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.